NNU is taking some action tonight to slow the spread. They have a message for their students and teachers. Tell us what that is.
Well, things were very quiet today, as you can imagine, as students essentially quarantine in their dorm rooms and apartments. But this directive really serves as a reset to those COVID cases and this current situation here on campus.
We didn't like the trend of those numbers.
In just over a week, NNU has had 35 university members test positive for COVID-19.
And we wanted to say, well, how do we stop this?
Vice President of Academic Affairs, Dr. Brad Kurtzshaw, says faculty, students, and staff want to safely return to in-person learning. After meeting with Southwest District Health, they decided the next best step was this.
We're discouraging them from going into the community right now, not because we don't love Nampa and the rest of the Treasure Valley, but because our rates of infection are high. Right now, our stay-at-home order we think about as a reset to get some rising infection levels in check so that we can, after a week, move back to face-to-face instruction.
During the order, all learning will be remote. Students living in dorms or apartments are asked to limit movement on campus. Employees will also limit campus time. Vendors are restricted, and all community members living on campus will partake in daily saliva screenings, all because
our primary goal is to have face-to-face learning make its way all the way through the semester to December 10th, which would be the last day of students on their final exams. We think we're still on track for doing that.
Since September, the university has been doing saliva-based COVID-19 screenings to help identify cases early on, hoping to mitigate the spread.
We think we're part of this larger environment across the U.S. and Idaho right now. And even though we're a little bit behind, we're seeing that impact, and we think we can address it if we address it here and sort of close up our bubble a little bit. We think we can make it through the rest of the semester.
Now, the stay-in-place directive will continue on until the end of the day on November 17th, and we will continue to look at those weekly numbers, and then the university will then decide if in-person learning will continue or not. Mark?
Wow, that is eye-opening for sure. All right, Katia Stepovic reporting live for us tonight. Katia, thanks.